Upon receipt of your new Optima XR propane burnisher, it will need to be unboxed and removed from the pallet. This video will explain the proper way to unpackage the machine. The only tool that will be needed to unpackage your new Optima XR propane burnisher are scissors or a utility knife. Begin by removing the box from the pallet. Next, use the scissors or utility knife to cut the banding that secures the machine to the pallet. Once the machine is detached from the pallet, remove the handle retaining pins and move the handlebar to a horizontal position. Be sure to lock the handlebar back into place. Next, use the handlebar to lift the rear of the machine and rotate off the pallet. Once the rear of the machine is on the ground, push the handlebars down to raise the front of the machine and pull it backwards off the pallet. Prior to first use, the propane tank will need to be filled at an authorized propane dealer. Now the Optima XR propane burnisher is ready to operate. Be sure to read the owner's manual for safety precautions related to propane safety. Visit www.betco.com for a detailed video on the proper operation of the Optima XR propane burnisher.